Oh, pardon me.
None of that. We have so long to go.
I know. I know.
I forgot how much I love having been in engineering.
I know.
I just love sound effects. I shamelessly love sound effects. So anyone who gives me sound effects, just
Ian, we've had some real dank remixes of that particular piece of music.
Have we?
Oh yeah. And also, just randomly, whenever I'm finishing sentences, he will just make it do this noise.
What? That's a weird thing to have in the soundbar.
You could have. I even slowed it down. You could have hit anything, and I would have just been like.
I was reading a thing.
It was the honk. There you go.
there's sometimes a delay, and
there's multiple geese too.
You want to know why I was distracted?
Yeah.
Because we have a brand new sound effect, and I got to shout out the VST for this one.
Oh no!
I know what's coming.
Mike 5! What?
That was you?
I'm on Mike 5! Mike 5!
Why?
Mike 5!
Why did that happen?
You were here!
You were here! You were in the chair when that happened!
That was earlier.
That was like half an hour. It was like 45 minutes ago.
I have absolutely no memory of this.
All right, Johnny.
What brought that on?
Graham, you're still
I was
on
asked
the
what
exercise
mic I was on.
Why? But why did you sound so distressed?
Okay, so,
Well, we were trying to dissemble something.
it came up on ISO in text saying, Matt, what mic are you on? I said, I'm on mic 5. And then Ben was like, well, I put it up on ISO so that you would quietly say it. And then I shouted, I'm on mic 5!
I did step out of the room for a little bit there to say bye to Penelope. Did that? I was in the room at the time? Cool. Cool, frightening, cool. All right.
Do we have a full instant replay, perhaps?
The VST will probably
VST
have
does.
it.
Oh my god.
I will.